Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Android System Webview on your mobile device and how to install or activate the Android System Webview in case the application starts working properly and you want to reactivate or install it again one more time on your device. So if apps on your mobile device has been crashing, one of the ways for you to fix this is to uninstall the Android System Webview on your mobile device. So let me show you how you can do that. So the first way to do this is to head over to the Play Store and click on it, and then once you have the Play Store open, just head over to the search bar at the top of the page and then search for Android System Webview, and then once you have searched for that, you should find the one that says installed on your mobile device and that just says Android System Webview. Once you find that one, just click on it, and then you should land on a page like this here where you have the option to uninstall the application. So once you are here, you can just click on uninstall here, and then Google will ask you if you want to uninstall the application. You just click on uninstall, and then the application will be uninstalled on your mobile device. So for those of you that can't find this option here to uninstall the Android System Webview on your mobile device, this is simply because of the mobile device you're using. Maybe the Android version you're using does not give you the possibility or the option for you to head over to the Play Store and uninstall the Android System Webview directly from the Play Store. But I'm going to show you another way to do this. So the second method you can try if you don't find the Android System Webview in the Play Store is to head over to your settings, and then once you're in the settings menu of your phone, just scroll down to the bottom and then look for apps and then select apps, and then just at the top right corner of the page you should find a search bar there. Just click on this and then search for Webview, and here you should find the best possible option show up on your screen. You can see here I have Android System Webview. Just select this, and then once you're here you can head over to the top right corner of the screen and then click on the three dots at the top, and there you should find an option that says uninstall updates. So you can select this, and then you can head over and click on OK here to uninstall the application from your Android device. So if after uninstalling the application from your Android device, but after some time the application starts crashing one more time, it's possible you might have auto updates enabled on your device. This means that applications on your mobile device will automatically update by itself. So what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your phone one more time, and then head over to apps, and then head over to the top right corner of the page and search for Webview, and then select Android System Webview. And then once you have the application open, what you can do here is to head over to the bottom left corner of the page and then click on disable, and then it will ask you a question if you want to disable the application. You just say disable application, and this will help disable the application from running on your mobile device, and then you can also go and check if the applications are working properly. So after some time, if the application has been well updated by Google, then you can head back here and enable the application. So if after trying the both methods and you still don't find the option to uninstall the Android System Webview, then to fix the issue or the crashing problem for you, just head over to the Google Play Store and then search for Chrome, and once you have Chrome open, just click on it, and then you want to update your Chrome application, meaning that if there's any update for the Google Chrome application, you want to update it. You can see here right now mine doesn't have any update, but on your phone or your device it's possible you might have update. So if you have any update for the Chrome application, you want to update it, and then once you update it, I'm sure apps on your mobile device will stop crashing on you. But if you head over to the Play Store and search for Google Chrome, and you notice you have the app already up to date and there's no option for you to update the app, just head over to your settings, and then once you're in the settings, head over to apps, and then click the search bar at the top right corner of the page and then search for Chrome, and then once you have Chrome open, just head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the three dots, and here you can uninstall the updates for the Google Chrome and then try to reinstall the update one more time. So firstly, you can try to uninstall the update and then see if the applications on your mobile device are working. If they still don't work, then try to reinstall the update for the Google Chrome application. So hopefully uninstalling or reinstalling the Google Chrome application would maybe be a solution to help you solve the problem of the applications crashing on your mobile device. Also, if this doesn't work out for you, you can also try to uninstall and reinstall the Gmail application. I've also heard people say that also helps them out to get the applications working properly on the mobile device. So finally, if you have uninstalled the Android system Webview and then there's a new update for the application and then it works fine, if you want to reinstall the application or if you want to update the application on your mobile device, just head over to the Play Store and then head over to the options menu at the top left corner of the page and click on this, and then head over to my apps and games, and then here you can see underneath updates pending, you can see the Android system Webview is already showing up on the screen. So here you can just click on update to update it. But if you don't find this option showing here, you can head over to the Play Store and then search for the Android system Webview and try to install it or update it from there. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for this tutorial. If you found the video helpful or the video helped you out, please give the video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to help other people that are having similar problems. If you're still having more issues with your Android device and the applications crashing on you, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you as quickly as possible. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.